Namaskar dear children. So today our topic is equation of motion. So as we know that there is a three type of equation of motion. First is a v equals to u plus at. Second s equals to ut plus half at square. Third v square minus u square equal to 2as. So these all equations are very important, students. According to this equation we can solve the numerical problem, right? So first is first equation, and the equation we can derive by the graphical method. So student, first you everyone see this is the graph. Here an object is starting from point is A. Object is start from A and it reach to a B position, right? So when it's starting from this position, so this is the initial velocity. As we know that how can we show the initial velocity? We show the initial velocity by u, and it reached to the B point. So this is the final position. This is the final position V, right? So it is starting from this and reached to a B position, and we can make a line here. So this graph is O, A, B and D. In this graph we can see that A, C and OD are equal. The sides of AC, student, you can see AC equal to OD. AC equal to OD, right? Equation, and the side of OA is equal to CD. OA is equal to CD. So for derivation of first equation we see this graph. This is the slope. This is the slope, and slope is the formula of the slope is perpendicular to the base. First equation is velocity time relationship. First equation show करती है velocity and time relationship को. And what is the rate of change of velocity? The rate of change of velocity is acceleration. We know that, and slope is showing the acceleration. In this graph, the slope is showing the acceleration. So slope is perpendicular upon base. This is the perpendicular and this is the base, right? So A, slope, what do you mean by A here? A is acceleration, slope is acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. We know that what is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. So here student, I have written here the formula of acceleration, right? A is V minus U upon T. This is the formula of acceleration. How can we write this? Because A is BC upon AC. Perpendicular. A is perpendicular upon base. So what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC and the base is AC. So what is the value of BC, student? This complete is U and this is completely a V. So what is this value of BC? BC is V minus U and AC is time. So I have written here A, BC equals to V minus U and AC is T. So we can cross multiply both of them. So 80 multiply V minus U. So here is we can write this V equals to U plus 80. ये V इधर आ जाएगा, minus plus में convert हो जाएगा. V equals to U plus 80. So this is the first equation of motion, and this is the time velocity time relationship. This showing the velocity time relationship. So again I repeat this. The object is starting from A and reach to B. Here this is the initial velocity. This completely final velocity, and we have to find out the first equation. So first equation is velocity time relationship. Here is slope. Slope is perpendicular upon base. Slope showing the acceleration. So acceleration is change in velocity per unit time, right? So perpendicular is base, time is AC, BC value V minus U. V minus U, AC, T, cross multiply, students. So 80 equals to V minus U, V equals to U plus 80. So this is the first equation. Now I am starting a second equation. So student, first equation is clear. First is the velocity time relationship, v equals to u plus at. Second equation is very important. Second equation showing the position time relationship. So for the position time relationship, student, you can see this diagram clearly. We can take the diagram of rectangle and triangle. Clear? So rectangle is a b c and triangle is a b c and rectangle is OACD. So first I am writing a formula here. S equals to triangle ABC and rectangle OACD. So here first we have to put the value of the triangle and the rectangle. So triangle, what is the formula of the triangle? 1/2 perpendicular multiply base. So here first I have written a formula of the triangle, right? Half multiply AC multiply BC. AC, this is the AC. Here I have written a AC and perpendicular BC. So this is the BC. This is the formula of triangle. And what is the value of the AC and BC? Half. AC is time, T. Is showing the time. So it is the T, and BC, as we know that the BC is V minus U. So AC is T and BC is V minus U. Second is rectangle OACD. And the formula of the rectangle is perpendicular multiply base. So AC, this is the AC and CD. Here is AC equal to OD and OA equal to CD. So again the value of AC is T. So I have written a T here, and CD, again CD is U. This is the initial velocity because object is starting from the A. So initial velocity is U. So now 1/2 multiply T according to first equation. We know that according to first equation V equals to U plus AT. Now put the value. This is the value in UE. So here is VU plus AT. U plus AT. I have written here U plus AT minus U as it is. Now cut U plus U and minus U cancel out. U and U cancel out, right? So what is remaining? Half A and T. So AT square. T multiply T square plus UT as it is. Clear? So what is the position time relationship? As it is as half AT square, half AT square and UT as it is. So this is the position time relationship. This is the equation number 2. I hope you all are clear it. Again I revised it. In this equation we have to know that two formula. First rectangle and second is triangle. So triangle half AC multiply BC. Value of AC T and value of BC V minus U. V from the equation number first, V equals to U plus AT. So U plus AT, U cancel out, plus U and minus U cancel out, remaining half AT square. And from rectangle OACD, so AC multiply CD. The value of AC T and the value of CD U. Here is U, so this is the U. U multiply T, UT, U as it is UT. So S equals to UT plus half AT square. This is the position time relationship. So note down all this in your register. So third equation is V square minus U square equal to 2S. So for third equation we will take the area of trapezium. Student, area of trapezium is O, A, B and C. And this area is both the area is in rectangle and the triangle also. So here we can write the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is half 1/2 half sum of the parallel sides is OA half as it is OA and BD plus BD. Second is multiply perpendicular, that means इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस, इनके बीच की डिस्टेंस कितनी है, तो बीच की डिस्टेंस हो गई OD एंड AC इक्वल है, सो perpendicular means OD, right? So here we will write the put the value in it. So first OA is U and BD is V. So student, you can see that as half U, OA is U and BD is V. What is the value of BD? BD is V. So half U plus V multiply T. T is the value of the distance between the two parallel sides. So here is T, the value of the OD is the T, right? So again as equal to 1 upon 2 U plus V and value of T from the equation number 1. Again, what is the equation number 1? V equals to U plus AT. So the T equals to V minus U upon A. This is the value of T. So put the value of T here, V minus U upon A, right? So U plus V and V minus U equals to V square minus U square equal to 2A. 2A as it is, then cross multiply both of them. So V square minus Ux square equal to 2AS. So this is the position and velocity equation, and this is the third equation of motion. So again I repeat this, everyone listen carefully. For the derivation of the third equation, first we write down the area of the trapezium of this diagram. Area of trapezium is OABD. First sum of the parallel sides, these are the both sides are parallel, then multiply perpendicular, which जो बीच की distance है, that is the perpendicular, right? Sum of the parallel side, first side OA, second is BD, OA plus BD. OA initial velocity U है, so हमने put किया है U, then BD is second complete final velocity V है, so BD की value क्या हो गई V. बीच की distance क्या है T है, so put किया है T. T की वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट से क्या होगी, T की वैल्यू T इक्वल्स टू V माइनस U अपॉन A. सो हाफ इक्वल्स टू U प्लस V माइनस U अपॉन A. According to A plus B, A minus B. So what is the formula? A square minus B square. So U plus V and V minus U, V square minus U square, and 2A as it is. Cross multiply V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So this is the third equation, position velocity relationship. So student, these are the very important equations of motion. So you all write down in your register and do practice again and again. And next I will take some example of this equation. Now next I am taking some example by solving this equation. So you can understand very easily all the equation by the example. So let's take some examples. Student, next is the uniform circular motion. When any object is moving in a circular path, this motion is known as the circular motion. Object is moving in a circular path. So this object is moving in a circular motion. So in this circular motion, the direction is changed in each and every point. Every point में direction student object की change होती है. That's why it is called the accelerate motion, because what is the accelerated? The rate of change of velocity. Direction, distance with direction already change हो रही है every place पे. That's why the circular motion is known as the accelerate motion. Uniform circular motion, uniformly कोई object move कर रहा है और every point पे उसकी direction change हो रही है. So what is the speed? Speed is a distance upon time. यहाँ जब हम बात कर रहे हैं यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन की, सो इन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन में हमने एज डिस्टेंस हमने लिया है सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ दिस सर्कल. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल का फॉर्मूला 2 पाई r एंड टाइम इज t. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. कैसे हम निकाल सकते हैं स्पीड? स्पीड इक्वल्स टू 2πr/t. जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में है तो कॉन्टिन्यूस ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट पर उसकी डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है. तो दैट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ speed equals to 2πr/t. So I hope you all are clear about this motion chapter, and next I will start the numerical problems so you can understand more easily this chapter. Okay students.